When wolves fly. Working on essays, my children look to AI. I encourage them to seek a different kind of AI. They Google artificial intelligence. I call on ancestral intelligence and wisdom of Creator and of our ancestors. So I turn to our elders. Did you know that wolves can fly? Our Uncle P was an Apache gourd dancer. He had wolf paws and wolf claws tattooed on top of his feet. Up the hill from where he lived, he'd put on the wolf skin and danced the wolf dance. In Sweat Lodge, he taught us, find yourself in the darkness. Taught us songs, drums, stories. He made my drums that I use for drum circle. He was kind to my children. Because of him, I'm a better man. People remember the tough biker, lumberjack, and mechanic. They couldn't believe he got sick and passed. He made his spiritual journey recently. I'm honored to have learned all that I have learned from him and pledge to pass on this ancestral intelligence. For now, fly, wolf, fly.